Do you have Parkinson's and you find that your hands aren't working like they used to? Are they starting to get tight and clamp down into a hook position and you just can't get the fingers separated to pick up things or let them go? This is a common symptom with Parkinson's. So you have to work on your hands every single day with intention. I'm going to show you a quick exercise. All it's going to take is a ball or the front of your boxing glove, anything that is rounded, and a flat surface. My name is Kimberly Berg. I'm a clinical exercise physiologist, and I own the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. So let's get started with this exercise. You're going to take your hand and place it over the ball. Now, we want to get the fingers flat, so you may have to manually kind of place them down, and you want all the fingers together. I'm going to start out by just moving my thumb up and around and have it flat. Then the index finger, then the middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger. Now we're going to do the opposite. You're going to pick up your little finger up and over. It helps to say it out loud. Ring finger, middle finger, index, and your thumb. If you use your voice at the same time, you're getting a boost and your brain will wake up even more. Now, you're going to want to do that on both hands 10 times. Once you've graduated from that and you feel like you can get your hands on a flat surface, you can just get rid of the ball, put your hand down, all the fingers straight. You may have to manually do that. You're going to bring your thumb over, index, middle, ring, and pinky. And you may not be able to do it that fast, but it's really important that you keep them flat. Then little finger, ring, middle finger, index, and thumb. Both hands 10 times. That is my quick hit for today. If you like these videos, give me a like and please subscribe to these videos and share them with other people so they can get the help they need. You could go to my website, rebelfitclub.com, where you can check out all these specialty courses like my hand course, foot course, posture school, and balance, or you can check out the links below. You can also contact me directly, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to tell you about our programming and how we can help you slow down your Parkinson's. Working on your Parkinson's every single day, your mind and your body can help slow your Parkinson's down. So contact me, never lose hope, and go forth and conquer.